Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the Broil spark electrode in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Now fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Slide out the oven racks. Unthread the front screws securing the broiler tube and shield. Remove the shield. Disconnect the Broil element spark electrode wire to fully release the broiler tube assembly. Make sure the wire doesn't slip behind the oven's back panel. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the two screws to release the old spark electrode. You're now ready to install the new Broil spark electrode. Align the electrode on the burner tube and secure it with the screws. Connect the wire to the new Broil spark electrode. Realign the shield and reposition the broiler tube assembly, then thread and tighten the front screw to secure. Slide the oven racks into place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.